right, so what are we doing here, guys?
Doing a polar plunge.
What is it called?
Polar plunge.
Polar plunge. What is that?
We're gonna jump in almost freezing water.
Almost freezing water. So Piojo is about to get into this little creek.
So, oh yeah, it's very slippery. Dude.
Oh! How is it? Geese turn right now.
Still debating. Well, let's go.
All the way from Oahu, Hawaii, warm and tropical, into the warm water of the Snake River. And the sun came out for you too, so it should be fine. Piece of cake. Go, go, piece of cake. Head first. It's all mental. Oh! Oh no, if you stay there, it feels good. How's it? Dry your head. Yeah, dry your head, dry your legs.
Oh, it's freaking cold.
Oh shit, well at least your board shirt is dry. It didn't get wet. How is it? Nice?
Hey, it's nice and warm.
Alright, swim underwater. Ooh, ipapaki.